So you just bought your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G and you're looking at it and are disgusted because it looks like a kid's phone. Look at these giant icons, only 4 icons in a row. Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you the 5 first things to do when you first get your Samsung Galaxy S20. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video, I'm going to take you through 5 first things to do when you first get your Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G out of the box. Starting with the home screen layout in your app drawer. As you can see, we have giant icons here and in the app drawer as well. So in order to change that, just press and hold. Go to home screen settings. We're going to go to home screen grid and we're going to go to a 5x6 and save it. And you want to go ahead and press that again. Go to home screen again. App screen grid, that's your app drawer, and we want to do the same and go to a 5x6. Now what this is going to do is take advantage of the real estate more. As you can see, the apps are condensed more and they're more organized. If I wanted to, I can move those here and put them down here and just have one screen there, and you have more real estate on your home screen to put widgets and more apps if you want to. Now the second thing we want to do is right out the box, it comes out in light mode. So we want to go into settings, display, and choose your theme of your preference. I personally like dark mode because it's going to save me battery, so I'm going to go ahead and choose dark mode. Now while we're in this same menu, we want to scroll down to motion smoothness there, select it, and right out of the box it comes at a standard refresh rate of 60 Hz, but you paid $1,400 for this phone. You don't want to be at a basic level. You want to bring that up to 120 refresh rate right there. So you want to go ahead and select the 120 refresh rate and hit apply. Now keep in mind that that only works with Full HD. Now this phone is capable of Quad HD display, but being that the 120 Hz only works at Full HD plus, we're going to keep it down at Full HD plus. But in the future, Samsung did mention that there will be an update coming out soon that's going to enable 128 Hz refresh rate on Quad HD plus. And the fourth thing we want to do is we want to change our navigation buttons. We are on Android 10. There's no need for buttons. Who uses buttons nowadays? Not me. Nobody uses buttons. So we want to go back into display. We want to scroll down where it says navigation bar. Select that. Go to full screen gestures. And you have the option of using Samsung's gestures or Android 10 gestures. I like the Android 10 gestures, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it there. And we can select our back gesture sensitivity. I kind of like it where it's at right there, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it there. And the fifth and last thing to do when you first get your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G is remove Bixby. I don't even know why they're still launching this phone with Bixby. Nobody likes that dude. So I don't know if you noticed though, if you swipe right, this used to be the Bixby page. It's not no longer Bixby page. It's called like Samsung Daily. So this is Samsung Daily now. It's almost like your Google Now page. I wish they would implement the Google Now page because I kind of like Google Now. So that would have been a little bit better, but it's not Bixby no more, so we're good with that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go back into settings. You want to go to advanced features and you want to disable Bixby routines, and you want to go to the side key here and you want to go power menu, because if it's telling you if you press and hold your power button it will not shut your device off, it will wake Bixby. We don't want to wake that motherfucker up no more, so we want to go ahead and select power off menu. So when you go ahead and press and hold your power button, it's going to power off your device like it should do. There you have it, guys. Those are the first 5 things to do when you first get your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra 5 Let me know down in the comment section below, what do you do when you get your Samsung devices? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Please, please, please. It really helps me out. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.